Welcome back, wonderful viewers, to The Big Sweep, your ultimate destination for all things cleaning and organization. Today, we've got a remarkable oven cleaning method that's both effective and entirely natural. That's right, we're about to show you how to clean your oven using the power of washing soda. But before we get our hands dirty, please do yourself a favor and check out our video on how to make your very own DIY washing soda for all your cleaning needs. We've conveniently linked it in the description, so be sure to give it a watch. Let's dive into the magic of cleaning your oven naturally with washing soda. First things first, let's talk about what washing soda actually is. It's an incredibly powerful and safe cleaning agent, and you can either buy it at your local grocery store or create your very own with our DIY washing soda video linked below. To make our natural oven cleaner, gather the following supplies. 1/2 cup of washing soda, or more if your oven is really dirty. A few tablespoons of water, or as much as you need. An empty mixing bowl. And a spoon or basting brush. It's as simple as mixing the washing soda and water to create a thick paste. This paste will be your secret weapon against the baked-on grease and grime in your oven. Now, it's time to put this natural cleaning paste to good use. Start by removing the oven racks and any other items inside your oven. Then, using a brush or a sponge, generously apply the paste to every nook and cranny of your oven's interior. Pay extra attention to those stubborn greasy spots. Give the paste around 15 to 20 minutes to work its magic. During this time, the washing soda will break down the baked-on residue, making it a breeze to scrub away. After letting it sit, grab a sturdy scrubbing brush or sponge and start scrubbing away. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off, leaving your oven looking brand new. But wait, there's more! Let's not forget about those oven racks. They can get quite greasy and dirty too. To clean them, fill your bathtub with hot water and add about a cup of washing soda. Submerge the oven racks and let them soak for a few hours or overnight. After soaking, use a scrubbing brush or steel wool to remove any remaining residue. Rinse the racks thoroughly and let them dry before placing them back into your sparkling clean oven. Once you're satisfied with the cleanliness of your oven, use a damp cloth to wipe away any remaining residue. Don't forget to reassemble your oven racks. And now you have it. A naturally cleaned and fresh-smelling oven and gleaming oven racks. No harsh chemicals, just the power of washing soda. Here is a bonus tip for cleaning an extra dirty oven. Once you have spread the washing soda paste all over the interior of the oven, grab your plastic wrap. Yes, your plastic wrap. Cover all areas with the washing soda paste with plastic wrap. Close the oven door and allow to sit for several hours or overnight. The plastic wrap keeps the paste moist. If it dries out, the washing soda loses its cleaning power. In the morning, peel off the plastic wrap and scrub the oven with a brush. Wipe away the residue and admire your sparkling clean oven. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning tips and hacks. Click here to watch the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!